Hi and welcome to another video. Today I will talk about negative keywords, more precisely master negative keyword list, what it is and why you absolutely need it. So we all want to cut wasted ad spend like instantly if possible. So you actually can do that, especially if you already have someone who manages your ad account on Amazon, or if you do it, you already know which keywords simply do not work for your account. So those can be ranging from like non-commercial or even research intent, like do it yourself, or is it a kit or not, and if it even makes sense for your product. So you want to eliminate irrelevant traffic before it even happens. If you're selling bike parts, you don't want to advertise on cars, and that sort of stuff. So some of the main categories that we can maybe group together different negative keywords could be, like, as I said, non-commercial. It could be wrong product type, wrong material. For example, wrong product type could simply be something that it's just not it. For example, if you're selling a product for dogs, you want to exclude everything related to cats, if that's your thing, depending on the context, but you get the idea. So you don't want to advertise products, you don't want to appear on searches that when somebody is buying something for horses or cats, if you're selling a dog products, or if it's a different material, if you're selling only plastic, whatever product, you don't want to be appearing on wooden or metal or silver or gold, or if you're only selling silver, you don't want to be appearing on gold, if that makes sense from the data point of view. And that's something that you want to automatically exclude. So it's really easy to create on. So you can use Notepad or any other word processing app and just put them all together, and every single time make sure that your team follows the SOP to add that negative master keyword list and have it somewhere on the cloud where every team member is going to update it. You can separate it by sheets inside the Google Sheets, and then you can, different team members can add to it, and then you will end up having like tens and if not hundreds of keywords that will instantly save money and increase your margin and profit on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Let me know how you manage these kind of issues, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.